You walk around all day assuming reality makes sense. You trust that things are more or less the size they look, that time takes along the same for everyone, and that you are a single object sitting in one place. These assumptions are highly efficient for a primate surviving on the ancient African savanna. Evolution fine-tuned our brains to track predators and find food. We are optimized for the immediate and the local. Because of this, our hardware often misses the actual mechanics of the universe. We can stress test these biological limits by looking at facts that are fully backed by science, yet genuinely difficult for the human mind to accept. Our everyday intuition works well enough to keep us alive, but as we look closer, reality becomes progressively more disturbing. Everything you touch feels solid: the chair beneath you, the phone in your hand, your body. At the atomic level, however, this solidity vanishes. This diagram shows an atom to scale. It is almost entirely nothing. If the nucleus were a marble, the nearest electron is hundreds of meters away. Compressing the empty space from every human on Earth, the entire race fits into a sugar cube. Trillions of bacteria live inside and on you. By some counts, these microbial cells rival the number of your own human cells. You function as a walking ecosystem, a bustling colony of organisms that influence your digestion and mood. You also contain potassium, a naturally radioactive isotope. Like a banana, your body emits low-level radiation to everyone standing near you. Our perceived physical form is a fabrication. We are empty, radioactive ecosystems that simply feel solid. Our ancestors survived by tracking local resources and seasonal changes. Our brains never required the ability to process cosmic math or exponential growth. This line graph shows the power of doubling. Fold a paper 42 times, it reaches the moon. 51 folds stretches beyond the sun. Similarly, 52 factorial possible deck arrangements creates a 68-digit number, exceeding all atoms on Earth. Astronomers estimate there are more stars in the observable universe than there are grains of sand on every beach and desert on our planet combined. Confronting the true scale of the cosmos, we reach the edge of our biological capacity. To navigate daily life, the brain compresses history into a simple, manageable timeline. This causes us to misjudge the true age of our world. We often imagine dinosaurs all stomping around together, but the Stegosaurus had already been extinct for 80 million years before the Tyrannosaurus rex ever appeared. Chronologically, the T-Rex lived closer to you, watching this video, than it did to the Stegosaurus. We see the same delay in the night sky. Because light takes time to travel, looking at distant stars is a look into the past. Some stars you see tonight died thousands of years ago. You are watching their ghosts. What we perceive as the present night sky is actually a distorted compression of deep time. Time is not a universal constant. Einstein's relativity proved it bends based on mass and speed. Gravity physically slows time. Because your feet are closer to the Earth's center than your head, they are aging slightly slower. Scientists have confirmed this using ultra-precise atomic clocks, like the ones used in this experiment. There is no single universal now. As this diagram shows, two events that seem simultaneous to you may happen at different times for someone moving at a different speed. The idea of a shared, ticking clock for the entire universe is a local illusion created by our slow-moving perspective. We are empty space, made of microbes, looking at dead stars in a universe where time is personal. These facts feel impossible because the universe was never obligated to make sense to a primate's survival instincts. There is a certain freedom in this. We spent our history trapped by our immediate senses, but through science, we have learned to see past our own biology. We can identify the glitches in our perception and measure the true, unvarnished reality. That we can comprehend any of this at all is the real wonder. If any of these melted your brain even a little bit, do me a favor and hit that like button. Share this with a friend who needs their mind blown today, and subscribe for more videos like this. And tell me in the comments which one of these broke your brain the most. I genuinely want to know.